Good morning, everyone. I hope that you are safe and healthy and would have completed the work which I've given you in the last video. In the last video live class, I told you to complete the work of lab manual and your portfolio file. And from today onwards, I would be asking you to submit your lab manual plus your portfolio file photographs in roll number wise. Roll number wise, I will ask you to send me, then I will give you a marks out of 10 on the basis of your work in the lab manual file plus your portfolio file. So in the last video class, in the last live class, I introduced you to the new concept of your congruence. What is the congruence means? Congruent figures क्या होते हैं? In that I told you that the two figures which have the same shape and the same size, those figures are known as what? Congruent figures. तो congruent figure कौन से होंगे? Two figures which have the same shape and same size, we call them what? Congruence figure. Now in that I gave you some examples of 10 rupees notes, then I gave you examples of coin, then I gave you the example of your 10 rupees notes and 100 rupees notes, why they are not congruent and why two 10 rupees notes are congruent, why two coins are congruent, two 5 rupees coins are congruent. Then I gave you the example from your own notebook that the pages inside your notebook are what? Congruent. And the main thing in the congruency is that when two figure are said to be congruent, जब आपको कोई भी दो फिगर आपको दिए हुए हैं, आपको उनको बताना है कि whether they are congruent or not. So what you will do, you will keep one object over the other. ठीक है, एक के ऊपर एक रखेंगे. You will find that nothing is visible. If nothing is visible of the other object, then that object is your what? Congruent. ठीक है, that two objects are what? Your congruent. And something is visible. When I told you about 10 rupees notes and 100 rupees note, then 100 rupees notes were visible when I keep that 10 rupees note over 100 rupees note. So some part in the blue color was visible. So this means that 10 rupees note and 100 rupees note is not what? Congruent figure, because though they have a same shape, उनका shape क्या है? Same है, but उनका size क्या है? Different है. That's why that two figures were not congruent. So main things for a figure to be congruent is your what? When we superimpose the two object, then one should completely cover the other one. Nothing is visible. What we can do is, from your body only we have a one congruent figure in our body, that is our two hands. ये हमारे दो हाथ हैं, ठीक है. When I keep one hand over the other, ठीक है, when I see like this, you will find that nothing is visible, ठीक है, of other hand. जो ऊपर टॉप वाला हैंड है, ठीक है, that is completely covering the hand that is below over it, ठीक है. So I cannot see any part of the hand that is below. So these two hands, the palm of these two hands are what? Your congruent. ये क्या होंगे? आपके congruent figures होंगे, ठीक है, because they have a same shape and also same size, ठीक है. So they are what? Congruent. And how we can prove that? When I keep one over the other, I am not getting any region which is visible of the other hand. So this means that these two figures are your what? Congruent. ये क्या है? Congruent figures. ठीक है, ये तो था जनरल डे टू डे. Since we started our geometry from the point, then our line segment. So let's start with the congruence of a line segment. Line segment क्या होता है? Line segment is a line having two end point. अगर किसी line पे दो end points होंगे, वो lines क्या हो जाएगी बेटा? आपकी line segments हो जाएगी. So since we are studying congruent, and in that congruent there are two objects or two things. So here, since we are studying a line segment, so here will be what? Two line segments. यहाँ पे भी क्या होंगे? दो line segments होंगे. So two line segments which have a same length are congruent. दो line segments जिनकी length क्या होंगी? Same होंगी, उनको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Congruent figure. I am taking two example. One is your AB and another is your PQ. If you see the length of this line segment AB is 10 centimeter, and the length of this line segment PQ is 10 centimeter. So AB is also 10 centimeter, PQ is also 10 centimeter. So AB is equals to PQ. ठीक है, जो लेंथ है AB की वो किसके इक्वल है बेटा? PQ के इक्वल है. So we call these two figures, the line segment AB is congruent to PQ. I told you what a symbol of congruent. First of all, you will make equal to sign. Over that equal to sign above, you will make one S that represent we are what? Congruent. This is a symbol of congruence. So this means that AB, line segment AB is congruent to line segment PQ, since these two line segments have what? Same length. Now we will move to the congruence of your angle. Angle का congruence क्या होता है? That concept we are going to study now. Now we are going to study congruence of an angle. Angle का congruence क्या condition है? Two angles को congruent होने में. The two angles which have a same measure are called congruent. ठीक है. अगर कोई दो एंगल के मेजर मतलब उनकी जो डिग्री है, हाउ मच दे आर ओपनिंग, ठीक है, कितने ओपन है टू आर्म्स फ्रॉम द सेम वर्टेक्स, that value will tell you whether the angle is congruent or not. If the two angles have a same value, same measure, then the two angles are said to be what? Congruent. If you see, this is your angle ABC. ये आपका क्या एंगल ABC. If I say what is the measure of this angle ABC, तो I will write M then angle ABC. This means that measure of angle ABC, and here it is coming what? 60 degree. कितने डिग्री का है? 60 डिग्री का. Similarly, this is your angle XYZ. And the measure of this angle XYZ is again your what? 60 degree. यहाँ पे भी 60 degree है. Here also the value is, the measure of this angle is also your what? 60 degree only. ठीक है, ये भी क्या है? 60 degree. ठीक, this is also your 60 degree. So since measure of angle ABC is equals to measure of angle XYZ, so we call these two angles as were congruent. ये क्या करेंगे? Congruent angle करेंगे. So angle ABC will be congruent. Symbol of congruent equals to, then we will make small s angle XYZ. So these two figures, these two angles are your congruent. Keep in mind, if you see these two figures, this is small and this is your large one. This thing you have also noticed in your protractor also. In some geometry box the protractor is small, and in other geometry box the protractor is quite greater. ठीक है. So when you draw angles, the angle they are giving is of same measure के होते हैं. Since the larger one has a point, will mark the point at longer distance, so it will look bigger one, but the measure, the जो angle होगा, angle का जो measure होगा, that will look the same. वो होगा क्या होगा? Same होगा. ठीक है. So for a congruence of an angle, their side may vary. Size क्या होगा? Vary हो सकता है, vary कर सकता है, but उसका जो measure होगा, that will be the same. If I make the 60 degree this much smaller and the 60 degree this much greater, so nothing is different here. Both are same. They both are representing what? Angle only, and these two angles are your what? Congruent, since the value of this angle ABC is, measure of this angle ABC is 60 degree. Here also the measure of angle this XYZ is your what? 60 degree only. So I hope you understood the concept of congruence of angle now. Now we will move to the some questions from your exercise 7.1. Now in this exercise 7.1, question number 1, question number 2, if you see that the question number 1 is complete the following statement, and that statement is already that are those which already have discussed in this video. A says two line segments are congruent if, that I have already told you. Two congruent angles, one has measured 70 degree, the measure of other angle. दो angle congruent that is given to you. One angle के measure आपको दिया 70 degree. You have to tell the measure of other one. You can tell that, it is very easy. And the C part, when we write angle A is equals to angle B, we actually means that, what we actually means that if angle A is equals to angle B, that means that these two angles are your what? Congruent. क्या होंगे? Congruent होंगे. Now comes to question number 2. You have to tell, give any two real life examples for congruent shape. Real life example के क्या देना आप? Real life के examples देने congruent shapes के. तो one I told you in our body, that is hand, and other thing you can also from your day-to-day life, what you daily use or what you see at your home, you can make use of that in that example. ठीक है. So आज की क्लास यहीं पे ओवर करते हैं, and do remember to complete your that lab manual file and portfolio, and I will send the roll number who will send me their portfolio work and your their lab manual work today. Okay. So with this we finish up with today's class. That's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you. Jai Hind.